find the coefficient of x term. So it means it is x raised to power 1 term in the expansion of this. So we have to find the coefficient of x raised to power 1 in 2x cube x upon 2 minus 3 upon x cube raised to power 6, right? First, see, if you want to understand this in a stepwise manner, first write the general term for this one, right? I'm going to write what should be my general term of the expansion x by 2 minus 3 upon x cube raised to power 6. So I will write it's tr plus 1. It's r plus 1th term I am going to write. So it should be 6cr, the first term, that is the x by 2 raised to power 6 minus r, and the second term, that is the minus 3 upon x cube raised to power r, right? Is it okay? Now, please simplify it little bit. So this should be equals to 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r. I'm writing all the constant parts separately, and this
So
is
your voice is lagging.
right now I am writing all the constant parts separately. So it is 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r, and just a minute, yeah, and this x raised to power 6 minus r.
So आपने x over 2 को 1 by 2 क्यों ले लिया?
एक सेकंड, अरे x ओवर 2 को मैं 1 ओवर 2 बाहर ले, कांस्टेंट पार्ट अलग से लिखता हूँ ना मैं, आई राइट कांस्टेंट पार्ट सेपरेटली, और x का पावर 6 माइनस आर मैं यहाँ लिख तो रहा हूँ 6 माइनस आर, और यहाँ दूसरे का बच जाएगा 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब से, अच्छे से लिख देता हूँ, सेकेंड वाले टर्म से जो x का टर्म मिलेगा 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब रेज टू पावर आर। यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है? इज इट ओके?
हाँ।
So now it is, please simplify this little bit, 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r x raised to power 6 minus r, and this is x raised to power minus of 3r. Is it okay? Now I am simplifying.
yeah.
This is 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r x raised to power 6 minus r minus 3r. Is it okay? This is 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r, and this is x raised to power 6 minus 4r. See, right now I have done nothing except simplifying. I have simplified all these terms. So this is the general expression for this term only. Now I am going to write the general term for the complete complete given expression, right? I'm going to write the general term. See, general term of given expression. See, your given expression has this 2x raised to power q as a multiplication, so this will get multiplied in each and every term, isn't it? So what will happen, so in for the general term of this complete expression, you have to simply multiply this with above general expression. It will get multiplied in each and every term. So above expression is 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r, and it is x raised to power 6 minus 4r, isn't it? Are you getting this?
हाँ.
right? If you multiply this, it will get multiplied in each and every term. So I have multiplied in general term also. So we are getting 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3 raised to power r, and now you will have x raised to power 6 minus 4r and plus 3, and we will have one more term, that is the 2 raised to power q as well. See, this will be what? This will be basically
3
2
plus
raised
3 क्यों किया?
2 raised to power, that's I am explaining here. See, this is what? This is basically 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by x raised to power 3, isn't it? So when this will multiply, so this x cube and this x power 6 minus 4r will get simplified according to law of indices. So power gets added, isn't it? Are you getting this?
हाँ.
And this 8
Yes.
remaining here, 2 raised to power q. So you can see, you can simplify this power and this power also, because the base may be same. So I am doing that also. So this is 6cr and this is basically 2 raised to power, see, either you make it 2 or either this make 1 by 2. I am writing 1 by 2, no problem. So this is 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r. This is my minus 3 raised to power r. This will x raised to power 9 minus 4r, and this is equivalent to 1 by 2 raised to power minus 3, isn't it? I have shifted this 2 to 1 by 2. Now this can be simplified more. So you can write 6cr 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus r minus 3, isn't it? Minus 3 raised to power r, and this is x raised to power 9 minus 4r, isn't it? So see, I am writing just step by step for your understanding. You can skip and you can do fastly also, no problem. So this is 1 by 2 raised to power 3 minus r, this is minus 3 raised to power r, and this is x raised to power 9 minus 4r. This is the general term, that is the tr plus 1th term for your complete given expression, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Now you want that term whose x power should be 1, isn't it? You want that term whose x power should be 1. So I think we should equate this with 1. See, this is the final power of x. This is the final power of x. So right now we are equating this 9 minus 4r equals to 1. So this is 8 is equals to 4r. So from here we are getting r is equals to 2. So now if you want the coefficient, just put the value of r in the given expression. So these will be the coefficient. So you should have 6c2 1 by 2 raised to power 3 minus 2, that is the 1, minus 3 raised to power 2. Please find 6c2. What's the value of 6c2?
15.
So this is 15 into 1 by 2, and this is minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is what? 9. So please check the answer. 15 times 9, that is a 135.
67.5, yeah.
So please check the answer.
Yeah, it's correct.
So see, are you enjoying your HL level mathematics or not? See,
So it's a bit hard, but
नहीं नहीं